If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Bank of America, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section. Select the account where the pending transaction is located to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It will typically be marked as pending in your transaction history. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click or tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to the transaction. Step 5. Follow cancellation instructions. If the option to cancel is available, follow the prompts to cancel the transaction. If no cancellation option is present, contact Bank of America customer service for assistance. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your account to ensure the transaction has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further help.